ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਹੈਲੋ, ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਵੇਂ ਡਰੋਨ ਦੀ ਫਸਟ ਫਲਾਈਟ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਇਹ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਐਂਡ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਵੇਗੀ। I only have basic knowledge when it comes to electronics, cameras, photography, videography. So this video is by a green person and is for enthusiasts with very basic knowledge. So let's prepare and set up the drone for very first time. First thing you do is set up an account with DJI and download the application. After installing the battery to drone, then turn on both controller and drone power. Press once to turn on the power and then keep pressing for few seconds for second time to sync them with your phone and each other. Now open the drone arms. Now drone is ready for the first flight. Yahoo! Now we are in the open field with our brand new drone and getting set up to fly it for the first time. Reinstall the battery to the drone. Open drone arms very carefully. Place the drone on level flat surface. Now on controller you will see small icon on left side. It will say fly drone. Press it with finger and keep pressing it. Drone will start motors and fly about 4 feet high and will stay there. Now you can use controls on your controller to fly it away and record breathtaking views. Beautiful. These clips are recorded by me very first time and I am extremely impressed by the quality of the clips and surprised that it is so easy to Please enjoy the clips, like it and share the video, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.